Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol M, Macy's. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Although I will say this is a very tricky chart to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of viewpoints and perspectives that go into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 15 minutes, well, from that angle, the chart looks absolutely terrible. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there has been a larger pullback, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher lows being put into place over extended periods of time, and that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And best to illustrate this, and I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say that the price actually pulls back again and goes back to 735. So price comes down here to 735, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as that right around the $7.35, or is that what I said, $7.35? Yeah, $7.35. Again, if the price falls below that level, does that mean everything's totally destroyed? No, but that would certainly make the chart look the healthiest by far. But again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought up there, then you don't really care about these stair steps. But again, that's why I try to emphasize the fact that I would be talking about this from the bigger picture point of view. So overall, yes, the trend still has an opportunity to be constructed and build upon itself. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.